What up, geniuses? I put some lipstick on for this video. What do you think? I'm feeling pretty fancy. This is zero point 0.2. This video is going to be short, and this lesson will be shorter than the first. Thanks for hanging in there with all those long videos for the first lesson. My cat is very irritated with me because it's bedtime and I'm not going to bed. So he may be causing trouble in this video. He's behind me, and so hopefully he does some funny things while I'm talking. For this lesson, it's just a way for us to get to know each other better. That's just what I'm going for here, okay? There is an assignment in Schoology for you to do. And what I want you to do is I want you to make a slide, all right? The directions are on the first page, and I'll just go through them quickly with you now too. It says to make a slide to introduce yourself to the class on slide 3 of this document. Include your name. Make sure you get your last name on there too, and at least one picture of yourself. It doesn't have to be your school picture, you know, if you don't want it to be, but can you make sure your face is on it? Because I am working on getting to know your faces with your names and all that good stuff. So you can also have funny pictures of you that where your face doesn't look like your face, but get at least one that looks like you on there if you would be so kind. I've got a sample too, and I'm going to show it to you in a sec. You can add pics, GIFs, and other images from the internet of some of your favorite people, things, activities, pets, and hobbies. What are you passionate about? Show me in images on your slide. Be creative. You can make a collage like the example, or is there something else you could do? I mean, wow me. I would love to know what it might be. Maybe you'll have a link on there to like a video or something amazing. I don't know. These will be posted in Schoology for everybody to see and learn about each other, and we will take time as a whole class to explain them to each other. So I'll let you know the day. I don't have it right this second, but we're going to spend one day where we like go through it and you can just quickly talk about your slide. Is that okay? I think it might be kind of fun. All righty. All right, so let me tell you about me. Wolf, what are you doing? Wolfie. He's knocking things down so that I will give him my attention, I believe. So here's my slide. I'm going to put my face up here for now. I've got some very important people in this slide. Here is my son, Ethan, with his dog, Spot, and he's such a good doggy. He is amazing. Here's my cat, Wolf. You get a clear picture of him here in the craft room. This is where he is when I'm not making videos, sitting on my computer. And then my daughter's over here, Cassie. This is a picture of her from the summer when she came home. I missed her so much. We got to spend some good girl time together, so it was super fun. Then I have some of my interests on here. I've got some downhill skis. I didn't go a single time last year. It was so sad. We just didn't want to go skiing when we couldn't warm up in the chalet, you know, so we didn't do it at all. But I'm hoping to go out this year. Skiing is, you know, you got to find a good activity when you live in Minnesota for the winter, right? I mean, otherwise it gets pretty drab. So that's a good one. And I got a bike on here. My hubby and I bike a lot. This is a picture of us after a long bike ride to Lake Harriet. So from our house in North Minneapolis, it's like, I think it's a good hour to bike there. So that's a good like weekend bike ride, and we enjoy doing that kind of thing sometimes. And then I have these things here. These are dangerous. This is shopping. My shopping bags, shoes I especially love. And I know that this hobby / activity is not as good for me as these other ones. So I try to do these other ones more often. Yeah, so that's about me. I have a floating kitty because it's a floating kitty and it's amazing. I can't wait to learn more about you. So make your slide, and once you're done, you can submit it right on Schoology, and I'll copy it and put it into a class slide show or slide deck that we will look through as a class together. All right, good luck. Have fun as you work on your slide.